Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to have you here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom, and today we're talking about something really fun and heartwarming, our pets.
Yes, pets are amazing. They make life happier, keep us company, and they're great to talk about in English because you can describe their looks, personalities, habits, and even funny little quirks.
Exactly. Talking about pets is fun and also a good way to practice English.
So, Anna, do you have any pets? Yes, I have a small cat named Muffin. She's very fluffy and playful, and she always makes me smile.
That sounds adorable. What color is she?
She's mostly white with a few gray spots on her back and tail. Her fur is so soft, and she loves sleeping on my bed, especially near my pillow.
That sounds cozy. How old is Muffin?
She's 3 years old. She's still playful, and she chases her toys around the house like she's a tiny kitten.
Does she have a favorite toy?
Yes, she loves a small red ball. She pushes it with her paws and sometimes hides it under the sofa, then looks for it like it's a treasure. She also likes her little feather wand. She jumps so high to catch it, it's amazing to watch. She even sometimes pounces on imaginary prey on the floor.
I can imagine that. I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever, very friendly and full of energy.
Oh, I love golden retrievers. How old is Max?
He's 5 years old. He loves running in the park, fetching balls, and sometimes he even tries to bring other dogs' toys back to me. He also loves car rides and sticks his head out of the window to feel the breeze. Sometimes he even barks happily when he sees birds flying.
That's funny. Does he get along with people easily?
Yes, he's very friendly. Everyone who meets him instantly falls in love with him. What about Muffin? Does she like people?
She's a little shy at first, but once she trusts you, she's very affectionate. She likes sitting on my lap and purring softly. She also has this cute habit of rubbing her head against my hand when she wants attention. And sometimes she follows me from room to room like she's keeping me company.
I love how pets have such different personalities. Do you feed Muffin special food?
Yes, she eats cat food with chicken or fish flavor, and sometimes I give her little treats when she's been good or learned a new trick. She especially loves small pieces of cooked salmon. I also sometimes give her catnip, and she goes a little crazy playing with it.
Max eats dog food, but he also loves treats, like small pieces of cheese, carrots, or even apple slices. He gets very excited when I open the treat bag. He also enjoys peanut butter on a spoon sometimes. It's hilarious to watch him lick it so carefully.
Does Max like water? Some cats hate it.
He actually loves swimming. When we go to the river, he jumps in and splashes around happily. What about Muffin?
Muffin hates water. I tried giving her a bath once, and she ran around the house for 10 minutes like a tiny tornado. She even hid under the sofa afterward.
Cats really are tricky. Do Muffin and Max get along with other animals?
Muffin's okay with other cats, but she's careful around dogs. She hisses sometimes if she feels scared.
Max loves other dogs. He wants to play with everyone. He even tries to play with squirrels sometimes. He also likes meeting new people and children at the park. He's very social.
Do you play with Muffin every day?
Yes, I play with Max every morning in the park. He loves running, fetching, and sometimes even playing hide-and-seek. How about Muffin?
I play with her in the afternoon. She loves chasing string or a laser pointer. It's fun to watch her jump and run around. I also teach her small tricks like high five or rolling over. She learns quickly if I show her a toy or give her a treat as a reward.
Do your pets have favorite places in the house?
Muffin loves the windowsill. She can sit there for hours watching birds, leaves, or even other cats outside. She also enjoys the sunny spot near the living room sofa. Sometimes she even sleeps in the laundry basket if it has soft clothes.
Max loves the couch. He stretches out there and sometimes snores so loudly that it makes me laugh. He also likes to watch me while I work. He has a little bed in the corner too, where he naps quietly sometimes. He enjoys lying in front of the fan on hot days.
Do you take Max to the vet often?
Yes, regular checkups and vaccinations are important. How about Muffin?
Same. I make sure she's healthy and happy, and I take her for regular checkups too. I also give her flea medicine and dental chews.
Do you give your pets special nicknames?
Muffin's nickname is Fluffy because of her soft fur. Sometimes I also call her Miss Paws. What about Max?
I sometimes call him Big Buddy or Mr. Happy because he's always smiling. He also has funny nicknames like Wiggles because he wags his tail so much.
Do your pets have funny habits?
Max sometimes tries to talk to me. He barks differently when he wants food, a walk, or attention. Sometimes he even nudges me with his nose like he's asking a question. He also tilts his head when he's curious, which is adorable.
Muffin has a funny habit too. She kneads blankets with her paws like she's making dough, and sometimes she purrs while she's doing it. She also likes to hide in boxes or small spaces, and it's so cute when she pops out unexpectedly. She sometimes swats at her reflection in mirrors too.
That's so cute. Do you take photos of them?
Yes, all the time. Muffin looks adorable sleeping or playing, and I even have a little photo album just for her. I also make short videos and share them with friends.
Me too. Max makes funny faces sometimes, and I post them online. People love seeing his silly expressions. Do your pets sleep a lot?
Max sleeps a lot after playing. How about Muffin?
Muffin sleeps almost all day, especially in sunny spots. Cats really are expert nappers. She also sometimes stretches her body in funny positions when she sleeps.
Do you give them treats for training or good behavior?
Yes, small treats. Muffin learns tricks really quickly if there's food involved. Max is the same. He learns new tricks faster when I have a treat for him, especially if it's cheese or peanut butter.
Do they like meeting other animals in the neighborhood?
Max loves meeting dogs in the park. Muffin prefers staying inside and watching everything from a safe distance.
Do you talk to Muffin like she's a person?
Yes, I talk to Max too. Sometimes I pretend we're having a real conversation and he responds in his own funny way.
I do that with Muffin. I tell her about my day and she listens quietly, sometimes meowing softly as if she understands.
Do your pets show affection in funny ways?
Muffin sometimes licks my hand when she's happy or rubs her head against my chin.
Max hugs me with his paws sometimes or leans on my legs when he wants cuddles.
Do you ever go on trips with them?
Yes, Max loves traveling. We've gone on road trips and even short hikes together. How about Muffin?
Muffin prefers staying home, but she enjoys short rides if I take her slowly and make her feel safe.
Do your pets ever make you laugh?
All the time. Muffin chases her tail and sometimes gets confused by her reflection in the mirror. She also sometimes pounces on my feet when I walk by just to play.
Max makes me laugh constantly, especially when he jumps in the river and shakes all the water everywhere. He's such a little comedian.
Pets really do make life happier and brighter, don't they?
Absolutely. And pets can also teach us responsibility, patience, and how to care for others. Taking care of them every day helps improve our routines and makes life more meaningful.
Yes, they also give emotional support. After a long day, just petting Muffin or watching her play makes me feel calm and happy. Pets truly are amazing companions.
And talking about pets is a wonderful way to practice English. You can describe their appearance, behavior, habits, and emotions. It helps with vocabulary, sentence structure, and speaking confidence.
Everyone listening, talk about your pets. Describe them. Share your stories, and remember, pets bring so much joy and even teach us life lessons.
And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, share it with friends, and leave a comment below telling us about your pets, what they like, any funny or sweet stories, or little moments that make you smile. Share your photos, videos, and tips too.
Yes, we can't wait to read your comments and see all your amazing stories. Pets really connect us to happiness and fun.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care and give your pets a big hug from us.